going on, everybody? I am host FTR Motivated Gamer here with another video. Now this video we call it Unboxing Sundays, series number 19. Opening a Switch that I just got recently last week because I'm getting ready for the new release of Pokemon Eevee and Pokemon Pikachu. But before we get any further this video, please smash the like button. Let's have at least 20 likes on this video. And if you're new, become a member of this fine channel, hit the subscribe button and tell the bell on. I do notification shoutouts on every single videos. And gonna bring back shout out Sunday series, like starting probably today or next Sunday. So be sure to get notified. Be sure you read the description for the rules of to get a shout out Sunday videos, so you can get rewarded and try to help out as much as I can. But yeah, also follow me down on Twitter. I try to post daily on there and everything like that. So please follow me down on Twitter. And also, this next notification shout out goes to right here. Boom, GoldLife Gamer. Now, GoldLife Gamer has been active on my channel. He always subscribed, which I was trying to say. But he also been leaving likes, comments, and he's been sharing it. So thank you so much. You get the notification shout out. So please go check out his channel. Please tell my FTR Motivated Gamer I sent you. He does amazing videos. And yes, so we are doing a unboxing video of the like, it's really the Super Mario Switch thing that I got for the new gaming console. So in all, I'll see you in a few seconds. Welcome back, members. And this has already been opened because I opened it right when I got it, just check out, see how it is and everything, and boy, I do like it. And yeah, here's the box. See, even says Mario Edition. Here it comes in red. This, we don't need. This, we don't need. Alright. Well, this is cool. It comes in with this, I believe, to charge it. Right here. Here's the actual controller right here. Amazing. Here's this if you want to put it to your TV. To your HDMI ports. Always needed. Always helpful. Same thing with this to charge it. Of course. I need that. Two ports for each side. Amazing. And last but not least, the Switch itself. I cannot wait to test this thing out later, members. Huh. Does it have a game card with it? No, it doesn't have a game card. It stinks. And there it goes, it even turns on. Sweet. That's awesome. Alright, members, I'm gonna go have fun and try this out. But as always, members, this was a great Switch I got from GameStop, which is getting me prepared for the new Pokemon games that are coming out. And as always, members, always live your dream, and see you in later's video.
find me.